11, one face of a cube-shaped package has an area of 10.625 square inches. What's the lateral surface area of the package?
Wait, so it gave you the surface area, right?
It gave us an area of one of the faces. Okay? So each face is going to be four-sided, right?
How am I going to draw that?
Hey, stop talking.
So perimeter of your base times the height sides.
So would that all be?
So this and this, 10.625. So what would each side of that be? 10.265, if that's the area of one of the faces. So this times this. You divide by 2. It is C. It is C. No. 10.25 times 4. Number 11. A hollow cylinder is made completely of plastic material, sorry. It has a radius of 3.5 inches and a height of 7.8 inches. Does not have a top or a bottom. So that tells us that's lateral. What is the amount of plastic material used to make one of the cylinders? So a hollow cylinder is made of plastic material. We've got a radius of 3.5 and a height of 7.8. Doesn't have a top or a bottom. So we're looking for just the lateral of a cylinder. Just the side, just that label. No top, no bottom. So it's the lateral surface area of a cylinder. Of a cylinder.
Oh, 2 pi r h.
2 pi r h. So 2 times pi times radius times height. Just the lateral. Since it says it does not have a top or a bottom.
So 2 times 3.4 times 3.5 times 7.8.
Yuppers.
Oh, the answer is too much space.
So you should have gotten D, multiplying all those together. Lateral surface area. Number 12, Cole wanted to wrap his brother's birthday present shaped like a rectangular prism with Avengers wrapping paper. The box is 3.1 feet long, 3.7 feet wide, and 4.2 feet high. What's the closest to the total surface area of the box?
Total.
I do not know.
Then how do you draw a 3D box? PH plus 2B.
Hey, I actually share. I'm showing you.
So the total surface area of a rectangular prism, what is it?
Boy, that's like the same thing I just did. Okay, but I actually don't have to draw it.
So the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base.
So you do 3.1 plus 2.7 plus 2.42.
The perimeter of your base, what's your base?
Oh, it's sorry.
Is it?
The perimeter of the base, so 3.1.
Is it B?
Okay, so the perimeter of your base, 3.1 plus 3.1 plus 3.7 plus 3.7. Okay, 13.6 should be your perimeter. 13.6, what's the height of the whole prism? What's the height of the whole prism? 4.2. Then plus 2 times the area of the base. So my base is this rectangle down here. So 3.1 times 3.7 would be the area of my base. So plug that all in.
Like 5 minutes ago.
Should be D. Number 13. The rectangular prism below needs to be painted on all sides.
Total?
How many square feet of paint is needed for the prism? All sides, that would be total.
The whole total is 15, like 6.
Wait, are we looking at prism?
All sides, yes. So perimeter of your base times height plus 2 times the area of your base.
Well, it's 20 for 6 plus 6 for and then times 5
Yeah, I got 20.
So the perimeter of our base should be 20 times the height of 5.
It's gonna be 100.
So 20 times 5 is 100.
And then the base, the area of the base
Good.
would be, I don't know what the area is.
6 times 4.
5 plus 2.
That's 24.
Okay.
So you do 100. Crap. 100.
Oh, yeah. You got 3 D's in a row.
148.